Well, it's Friday. Friday morning, a little before, well, it's a shade after 10. We got the knife gig today at Farmer's Market at an hour, at 11 o'clock. You can see it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A good day for detecting. A good day for most anything. We've been cabin fever in the last couple of days. Weather's been bad, good and cold. So we kind of wimped out a little bit. But today is a different day. We'll see how it gets along. I know the knife key is going to be pretty busy because I had a lot of people call me this week. I guess they want to get their knives sharpened. I know I got two who are going to meet me over there at 11. I don't know how many knives they're having or, what kind they are or anything, but I know I got a gathering of knives coming. At least I shouldn't say a gathering, but I got some knives coming. We'll see how that goes. Stand by. It's going to be in the 40s today, mid-40s, I think. But there's no wind, so it's, like I said, you can tell it's a beautiful day. Stand by, please. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm setting up differently today. I'm setting up on the other side where I can get some sunlight, stay warm. It's dark under here. Well, like I said, I'm setting up against the outside wall today where the sunlight's coming through. I got interrupted, and I thought it was some people coming to the milk store. But as you see, it was not. My first customer, which is one of the ones I was referring to that I had been in contact with, brought me a whole gathering of knives. They have some fine Henckels. They have some Cutcos. They have a nice gathering of big Wusthofs. All in all, I've lost count. It's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, a dozen fancy kitchen knives. So I got a good day's work right here at the beginning of the day. And I know I got another fellow bringing me some knives. So I got to quit talking and get to work. I got one serrated Cutco and a big fat serrated Henckels and a little serrated Henckels. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Stand by. Well, my morning was spent sharpening those knives for Mr. Clyde. My second knife customer just texted me and said he couldn't get here in time. So I packed up my stuff and I'm headed home. I got a window guy that's going to meet me at the house. I put one of those vinyl windows in our house. We had many put in a year or so ago. One of them's failed, so the guy's coming out to put a new one in. And the carbon fiber, the fellow with the carbon steel knives that was supposed to have been here, like I said, he texted me. And we're going to meet up tomorrow and fix up his knives. Come to find out, he only lives about 10 minutes from where I live. So his knives will be sharpened. This sounds like another nasty cabin fever day. It's going to rain. And I was way underdressed for today. It got overcast and chilly. But I had a lot of knives to keep me warm. Stand by. I'll see you later. Thank you, Clyde. Well, you know when I get home and the sun comes out. Warms right up. Look at it. Bright sun, warmth. I'm doing that tomato knife I bought at the thrift store the other day. I want to give it to a lady tonight at dinner. One of my dinner guests. So she needed a tomato knife if I ever ran across one. That's the reason I picked it up. I just got through with the 50/80s. Stand by. I shot some stuff today with the GoPro. I haven't used it in a while. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but if it's usable, I'm going to use it. I stuck it on a pole and mounted it up on one of my tables, up from high up in the looking down. I'll be curious how it turns out. The old GoPro.
Get over here.
Jack is babysitting today. Big old Hank. What do you think, big old Jack? Oh, my phone is ringing.